Good morning, everyone. Today, I am actually going to be making mozzarella cheese for the first time ever. I was getting all my ingredients gathered and reading through the recipe, understanding what it is that I need to do because I've never made mozzarella cheese in my life. But as you know, we have Miss Clarabelle who's in high production. I actually just transitioned her from twice a day milking down to once a day milking because we were getting so much milk, and it's hard to keep up with all the milk. So I've been making lots of things like ice cream, butter, cottage cheese. I haven't made cream cheese yet. I'm anxious to try that one as well, but today I'm going to be trying to make mozzarella, but I realize my bread is literally about to spill over the top of the bowl. So I'm gonna shape it quick, and then I need to go feed the calves first and check the water in our cow field because we are in a drought here in Western Pennsylvania. So we've been hauling water, but I'm gonna run out and do those chores really quick, and then we'll get to making some mozzarella cheese. All right, I am back now. Calves are fed, they're happy. We checked on Clarabelle. I checked in on my chickens to see if they had any eggs yet. And the water is full, so I'm so excited. I don't have to haul water today. So we're gonna get started with mozzarella cheese. I wanted to show you all the cream line. Look at this cream line. That is the benefits of getting a Jersey family milk cow. So I wanted to show you before I mix it up, but that's like a good third, because I'd say half is probably here. So that's like a good third of cream. I absolutely love her. We get so much cream, and the cream is so good for ice cream, sour cream for taco night. Oh, it's so good. Even some yogurt. I actually put cream in to thicken up our yogurt. And then of course butter. So very excited, but I'm excited to see the cream content and how that works with the mozzarella cheese. If we get a richer, creamier mozzarella, I'm really not sure. So let's find out together. So let's get this shaken up and incorporate it into the whole gallon. Okay. Okay, so I need to find a pot that's big enough for this. So we are mixing 1.5 teaspoons of citric acid into a cup of warm water. Now we're going to add in our citric acid mixture into the milk and turn on the heat. While the milk is heating up, I am going to go ahead and mix up 1 rennet tablet into warm 1/4 of a cup of warm water. Okay, our milk is up to temperature. It's up to 90 degrees. So I'm going to turn off the heat, add in our rennet, and stir for 30 seconds. So now we are going to cut the mozzarella. I can feel it down in there. Okay. Now we are going to heat the milk, the mixture, back up to 105 degrees and just stir very gentle and occasionally. Okay, we have reached 105 degrees. You can really see the cheese curds starting to form. So now we put our cheesecloth in the strainer, a strainer in a bowl, and I'm going to strain the curds from the whey. Here is my first ball of mozzarella. Looks really good. I'm going to rinse it under some cold water. Okay, there's ball number 1. So now we are heating it back up The whey is at 185 degrees, so we are good. And now we are just putting these balls back in there. Okay, they are warm enough now. Stretch and fold it, kind of like you would sourdough. Huh, that actually does work. So here's what I ended up with. I ended up with 4 little balls of mozzarella. They look delicious. So let's cut into one and see what it tastes like. Okay. Like I said, I'm gonna save these because I'm going to use these and roll them in a little bit of breadcrumbs and fry them or bake them. I might bake them, I'm not sure yet. But I'm gonna serve them as a side dish for dinner one evening. I love fried mozzarella. Oh, and I cannot wait to taste homemade fried mozzarella. That is going to be delicious. So let's go ahead and cut one of these and see what we have. Look at all those layers in there. It's nice and airy. That is, that is really good. This may not make it to tomorrow evening's dinner to be fried as a side. This is delicious. Well, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye, friends.